Hello friends, welcome back. So let's start with what is WP CLI. WP CLI is a command line interface to manage WordPress from the terminal. Whatever you do in WordPress admin in a browser using the admin UI, the same things you can do through the CLI as well. For example, creating users, installing plugins, activating and deactivating themes, managing the posts, creating posts, or anything like that. So all the functionalities that you can achieve through the admin UI, you can do the same using the WP CLI. To name a few benefits, performing any action takes fewer steps compared to doing it manually using the UI. Let's say you want to install a plugin on your site. For this, you will need to open the browser, you will need to log in, then go into the plugins settings, then search about the plugins, install the plugins from wp.org directory or by the zip directly, and all of these steps are time consuming. But with the WP CLI, do the same thing with just a single command. Drastically, there are fewer steps to perform the same actions using the WP CLI. Second is migrations. At RTCam, we work on many migration projects, and for developing the migration scripts and for developing the migration scripts for migrating from WordPress sites to other WordPress sites or from non-WordPress sites to WordPress sites, we developed migration scripts in the WP CLI as it can be run from the terminal. And also, we don't need to worry about the timeout issue with the browser and all of that stuff, as it can run as long as we need. Third is background jobs. For any background jobs like we can perform through the WP CLI, for example, generating the reports or sending weekly reports based on your features and requirements, we can do background jobs as well using the WP CLI. And the last one is building tools. For example, Easy Engine is a tool to manage Nginx servers for WordPress sites. At RTCamp, we developed Easy Engine with PHP using WordPress WP CLI. We took the WP CLI code base, which gives the basic command line interface to set up commands, and we use this WP CLI for developing Easy Engine. Previously, Easy Engine version 3 was built with Python, but now we have developed it in PHP using WP CLI. Thus, you can also create your own CLI tools using WP CLI. Lastly, let's talk about installing WP CLI. You can visit the link for WP CLI handbook on make.wordpress.org. You will find various ways to install WP CLI based on your operating system and environments of your system. I am using Mac OS and Brew for Packet Manager. I installed WP CLI using Brew. Similarly, you can follow the steps provided in the handbook to install it on your system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Jai WordPress.